I love glowy skin and I love moisturizers. Combine the two, you know, a win-win. Although what is not a win is why are these boxes so hard to open? Hi everyone, Wygo Warrior aka Julie here, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 53 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing beauty product reviews, hauls, as well as unboxing videos. If you have stopped by because you are interested in what I received in the box by Fashionsta, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. All right, this box is very late in my opinion. I am filming today on September the 8th. I received it yesterday on September the 7th on Labor Day. They tend to be, or at least for me, they ship. You get it early in the month, you're all excited, and then you find out, oh no, it's from the previous month. Regardless, we're going to dig in and see what we got. Okay, so if you are new to the box by Fashionsta, this is a $24.99 a month beauty subscription box where you get 5 to 7 full-size products with a guaranteed value of at least $150 per box. And part of the proceeds go to help a women's shelter, which is an extra benefit. All right, this is what the box looks like. This subscription, I love. They provide a card which has descriptions as well as product pricing. And then you get this pseudo lovely black crinkly. Why I say pseudo is it's very messy. And if you have any products that have like white packaging, this stuff gets black all over, as well as your fingers. But we will deal with this by taking it out. All right, let's dig into the box and see what we got. First item. Ooh, it's a palette. This here is Shine Bright by Amor, made in the USA. It's a 15 shade eyeshadow palette. Wow. Small for 15 shades, but well, they are tiny. Comes with a mirror and one of those plastic protectors that's taped on the side. That is lovely for someone else. I am not this adventurous. Anytime I see a palette that contains blues and greens and bright oranges, that is something for a giveaway. This, I know tons of people who would love this palette. I just, unfortunately, am not one of those people. All right, the Amor Shine Bright eyeshadow palette retails for $9. Wow. That is a really good deal. 15-pan palette for $9, and it comes with a mirror? All right. All right, next item. Oh, is this another palette? What is this? This is by Bellapierre Cosmetics. Oh, it's a color correcting concealer palette. That, strangely, oddly enough, if anyone cares, that is how I got started in into extreme makeup and beauty, was searching how to color correct. All right, let's see what the card has to say. The Bellapierre color correcting concealer palette retails for $50. Holy cow. Says use underneath foundation to make any imperfection such as dark spots, acne, dark circles virtually undetectable. Now I can attest to that. You do have to finesse, but like if you have dark circles, you can use orange, and if you have redness, you can put green. Yes. All right. That is an expensive product for this box, to be honest. Okay, next item. I just bought this myself. This is the Catrice Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. You know what? I didn't put anything on today. Ooh, it has a nice floral scent if you are into floral scents. The mister is okay. It's fine-ish. I've had worse. All right, next item. Oh, this is what was making that box feel so heavy. What is this? This is Earth Harbor Mermaid Milk Nutrient Glow Moisturizer. All right. I love glowy skin and I love moisturizers. Combine the two, you know, a win-win. Although what is not a win is why are these boxes so hard to open? 1 second. Oh, green. Well, I guess a mermaid, if she comes from the sea, would be green, right? Let's see what the card has to say. All right, Earth Harbor Mermaid Milk Nutrient Glow Moisturizer is a purely plant-derived replenishing moisturizer that hydrates, balances skin while giving you a mermaid glow. Okay, sign me up. Let's take her for a test drive. That's what she looks like. There is no safety seal. What is that scent? It has a subtle scent. It almost smells like yogurt, like in a good way. It looked thick, but it feels like a gel moisturizer. It's very light. And as soon as it touches your skin, it feels very, I won't say watery, but just, it sinks into the skin very, very easily. The scent is maybe like cantaloupe. It has like a soft, fruity, but not like obnoxious fruity, like watermelon, Jolly Rancher type fruity. Like a literal, if you were to cut a piece of fruit with some lemon. Oh, that's what it smells like. 7 Up. It's like a lemony lime. That's what it reminds me of, 7 Up. All right, that sounds interesting, but that's what that smells like, and it smells delicious. All right, next item. Oh, see, and here's a good example of how that black stuff gets all over the product, right? There, yeah, see, I'll wipe it off with my finger. And now it's on my finger. All right, I digress. What is this? It says Dirty Lamb Ultra Day Serum. Ooh. Non-greasy formula, smooth finish. All right, this is 1 fluid ounce. Let's see what the card has to say. Okay, the Dirty Lamb Ultra Day Serum retails for $44. And this will brighten up your day and skin with a powerful blend of fast-absorbing, naturally derived oils. Rice bean oil, Japan's anti-aging secret, will keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. It's natural, vegan, and cruelty-free. All right. Next item. What is this? The packaging is, it's white text on white. So let me read what let me take it out of the box and we'll read what the card has to say. All right, so this is from Clay Cosmetics. It's a melting lip powder, which retails for $20. What? Melting lip powder. I said that. This is literally a powder that you put on your, what? A capsulized lip product that transforms pigmented powder into a long-wearing lip tint with a deep matte finish, thanks to its hero ingredient, vitamin E. Using your fingertip or included lip applicator. What? I didn't get no included lip applicator. This will be my lip applicator. I'm sorry. Lip applicator, let's see. What? Using your fingertip or lip applicator. Melting lip powder can also be applied to the eyes and cheeks for a flush of natural color. What? This is paraben free. Some other word free, gluten free, cruelty free, and vegan. What's that word? PHTHACTE. Phthactate free. Okay, this is intriguing to me. What is this? Okay, there's a doe foot, but I have never... Oh, it literally is a powder. Oh, that's picking up on camera. Oh, weird. It's a powder, but it feels like it's not wet, but it feels like it's thick. Oh. That is interesting. And messy whenever you apply it, your fingers are... Oh. Should I? Should I try? Should I be adventurous? I'm scared. Alright, I put some on my finger. It like matched the color I already had on my lips. I don't know if that will pick up. And I also already had gloss. I will have to try that with on bare lips. That is new and different and interesting. What I don't already like about it is it's messy because it is a powder. And so it's gotten all over my keyboard already. I'm curious now. Whoa. That looks good. I think I would use this more as a cheek than lip, because if it's dry enough to go on the cheeks, it shouldn't be on my lips. If it's moist enough on my lips, it shouldn't go on my cheeks. This is definitely dry, and it's powdery, but then it does feel almost like once it's powdery, and then it feels kind of like a foundation almost. Not that greasy, but it does. Maybe it's the warmth of the oils of your fingers. It does. All right, this is, I don't want to say bizarre. This is a new, different, I have never seen a product like this, a powder product for your lips. Comment down below if you are familiar with this brand and or product, or if you're aware of any other makeup company that makes something similar. That is interesting. Okay, let's recap. We got a serum oil. We got a dewy finishing spray. We got a super interesting powder, lip, cheek, and eyeshadow product. We got a lovely Mermaid Milk skincare, like face lotion. We got a contouring palette and an eyeshadow palette. That's a pretty good box. That's 6 items, 6 full-size items. I'm going to tally the grand total on the screen. What are your thoughts? Do you subscribe to the box by Fashionsta? Do you like your box? I do notice a lot of their products, if not all, I believe all, but we'll say most of the products are vegan, cruelty-free. They're healthy. They are great products. Now, what was interesting, and also they tend to be off-brand, or not off-brand, but just most brands that I've never heard of. So it's interesting to get a drugstore, the Catrice, which this is a great product. All right. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that you're notified of future videos. Thanks, everyone.